Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Tapchem Styles channel where you'll be learning basic sewing and advanced sewing. This is how to cut neckline. In that last video we learned about 4 types of different neckline. In today's video I'm going to teach about another 4 types of neckline. Number 1 is canon neckline. Second one, sweetheart. The third one is kaftan neckline. The last one is scallop neckline. I said it again, scallop neckline. I'll put the name on the screen. The second part of the last video I uploaded. Let's jump right to the video. First of all, as I said in the last video, anytime you are cutting your fabric, first of all, measure your shoulder line. You take your shoulder line, then our standard measurement for neckline is 3.5 by 7.5. You can reduce it, you can increase it. It depends on the body of your client, but the standard measurement is 3.5 by 7.5 inches. The first neckline I'll go through today is canon neckline. This canon neckline, it depends on the shoulder measurement. In today's, I will take the shoulder measurement as 14 inches. 14 inches divided by 2 will give you 7 inches. When you are measuring your shoulder length on your fabric, you divide it into 2, and so I'm using 14, then divided by 2 is 7. You take your 7 inches this way. Then first of all, you measure 3 inches. After you measure 3 inches, the remaining part from the shoulder line, you divide it into 2, measure it. It's supposed to be 4. Yes, it's 4. Then you divide it into 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. Then here, go down, measure 3 inches because canon neck is not deep. It's only this shoulder line that is wide. Now you make your curve from this middle of that 3 inches neckline you marked with your shoulder line. Then make your curve to the deep of 3 inches at this vertical line. Make your curve, then you cut it out. You make your curve, then cut it out. See the beauty of your neckline. Here is wider, where here is not deep. Here is wider. This is a canon neckline. Now we go to another type. We call it sweetheart neckline. Sweetheart neckline. The standard measurement is 3.5 inches by 7 inches. Take another 3.5 inches here. Here, make 7 inches. Then connect your lines together. In this line now, If you want to the sweetheart, to make your cuff, you start from 4 inches. 4 inches. You mark your 4 inches from here. Always sweetheart, here is always straight. It's here that is cuff. Now make your cuff from here to this place. Let's do it. Make your cuff, then cut it out, and let's see the beauty. Cuff. This is the sweetheart. This is your sweetheart neckline. Here is 3.5 inches by 7 inches. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, turn your notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I post my video. Share, please subscribe. Thank you as you do so. The next one is kaftan neck. Always make your shoulder line. The standard measurement you are using is 3.5 inches by 7 inches. Make your 3.5 to here, make your 7 inches. Then connect your lines together. In this type of kaftan neckline, is different from sweetheart neckline. The difference between them is from here is cuff. Here is cuff to here. But the sweetheart on here is straight. Have sharp edges here before cuff. Let me cut it out and show you the difference. You make your 4 inches here too. Make your 4 inches here. Then from here, let your hand be curved here, then here. Let's cut it out and see the difference. Here is cuff. This is kaftan neckline. Here is sharp. I hope you see the difference. If you don't understand, please comment down below. Neckline in this video is scallop. In this type of neck, we always on lacy fabric. Neck, our shoulder line. Then 3.5 inches by 7 inches. Then 3.5 inches by 7 inches. Then let's connect together. Here you can make it 3, you can make it 4, but here I will make it 3. Here your 7, you divide it into 2, make it 3 inches. This one is curved, scallop, as if like mountain. You are making mountain. You are making hips. If you don't understand, please comment down below. I'll reply to your comments. Here you make your curve from here, then make up to this place. Then make your curve here. Then let's cut it out. When you are cutting this one, you have to be very, very careful. Make your curve look good. Cut it out. This curve, you can make it 4, you can make it 5, make it 6. It depends on the style you want. This is our neck scallop neckline. I hope you understand. If you have watched to this point, I say thank you so much for watching. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, like, share, so that you'll be seeing videos like this, both basic and advanced sewing. Thanks for watching. Bye. See you in my next video.